What's up? What's up? See if anybody else gets in here. What up, Drew Down? Hold on. That's probably better. Probably hear me now. What's up, Anthony? My bad. Man, what y'all buying today? I know this market is looking red. So yeah, I'm gonna do the giveaway for the Safe Pal. So right now, if you didn't comment on these videos, any of my last videos, go comment right now if you want to be entered in to win the Safe Pal. Go comment right now, because commenting on the live stream won't get you entered. So comment on those, because how I'm gonna do it is, so yeah, I'm trying to get on Theta, man. Theta is cool. I like Theta TV. So yeah, if y'all want to see me stream on Theta TV, put a comment in the thing. I'm gonna use this video right here to try to get a stream key on Theta, and when I do that, I'll be able to stream. I'll stream even more, because right now I know I don't do live streams a lot. What up, SARS? Cookie. I like that name. That's tight. But yeah, man, everything's dumping. But yeah, go ahead and comment if you haven't commented on this Safe Pal video, any of my last videos, to enter into the contest. I'll do the live stream in a little bit. I mean, I'll do the giveaway in a little bit. I got a little bit of time. I'm gonna do a random comment picker on those videos, and then I'm gonna do like a drawing at like regular old school, pull names out of a hat. But yeah, some of the stuff that I wanted to talk about today anyway was let me see, some of the stuff that I wanted to talk about today anyway was first Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance is getting rejected. It dropped down. So that is looking, I don't know, looking like what we expected. But I wanted to really look at the total. So this is the whole entire market cap right now, dipping below this, you know, the $1 trillion mark that we were happy about. But it's finding some support on this level, a little bit above it. So we'll see. This is actually pretty good, because things were getting, this is a daily too, so things were getting oversold. I mean overbought. Things were getting overbought pretty crazy. Seeing like it's hitting this line. What is this? The Fibonacci level. Oh no, it's not. It's just a resistance line that I had in there. XNS is really interesting. I know, man. In the comment box, just put your just put a comment in the comment box, and I'm gonna put it, and then after I'll contact you, and then I'm gonna ship one of these to your house from the factory. So that's how that will work. The Safe Pal wallet. Yeah, XNS is really interesting. Just a quick look around. Weird that they have such a small market cap. Yeah, so what happened with XNS was that they pretty much screwed over their investors. And they did some stuff that you just don't do in crypto, like some shady stuff that people look at as like pretty I'm gonna say taboo, crypto taboo. What they did was they ended up just swapping to a new token, but they created a whole bunch of new tokens, and they didn't swap people. Like, you know, if they add a 10% supply increase, then they should increase everybody's amount 10%. They didn't. So it was like they went up on the supply, and they didn't really like compensate the investors. So I think that's why they like super dumped. And of course that inflation just pushed the price down anyway. You know, and it kept pushing the price down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So yeah. Yeah, it's pretty interesting how that happened. My bad. I don't want to keep clicking back and forth between the comments on here, so I'm looking at it on my phone. But that's pretty much what happened with XNS. The reason why I decided, like, you know what, maybe I'll just throw some chump change at it. You know, it could be pretty risky, of course, but when I looked into it, when I looked at their website, and not only their website, I went down to their Medium. I see that they still have a lot of stuff kicking off. This swap process is still ongoing, but there's a lot of development that's been going on last year, this year. So I'm like, if it was a scam, I don't know. Then they wouldn't be working. I guess they wouldn't be doing development updates and stuff like that. Yeah, it's still going on Binance. So yeah, this one is an interesting one. You know, the market cap is so low. Hold on, my phone keeps distracting me, man. Let me put do not disturb on. People are blowing me up right now. Everybody's scared they want to sell. But yeah, with this market cap being so low right now, I'm just like, you know, I could throw a little, you know, just a little bit at it, $100 or something, and see what happens. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. A lot of people jumped into this market and actually got dumped on right now because of this. But it's good. You see, like, it was getting too overextended for a while, and it needed to cool off. So this is why people say, like, you know, people say that they this is it, cookie. What are you guys talking about? Yeah, but then it dipped down. Yeah. Total 2 also dipping down. This is without Bitcoin. What are all the other coins doing? I wanted to see it hold this top level. It didn't. But it's cool. I feel like, you know, this is the first dip that we had since Bitcoin started pumping. So it was kind of needed, like the first, like, not even the first, but we needed some dips to happen. Anyway. Now, I don't know if you guys are, some of the new coins that I'm looking at that I wanted to talk about too, that I'm adding to my portfolio because of things that they're doing. One of them is Alliance Block. I know a lot of people had got a 10x on this recently. I was looking at the chart. They had got a 10x on this recently from about 6 cents to about 60 cents. But what Alliance Block is doing, like, this market cap is pretty small for capital markets. Being compliant, partnered with all these people. I know you guys been seeing a lot of other channels talk about this coin. Alliance Block. So I'm picking up some Alliance Block, and then also of course GRT. So these are coins that I didn't get into right away. I saw that they pumped all crazy, but you know, yeah, I'll send you the link to the link of the Telegram group should be in the description because I have it open right now. I just have to keep opening and closing it because I'm getting scammers in there and stuff, and so if not, just comment on one of my videos, and then I'll send you the link directly. I don't like to leave it in there because people get in there and start scamming and start doing weird stuff, asking for donations and stuff. But yeah, the graph. So why is everybody all excited about the graph? When you go to the website, I mean, you could just look at some of the coins using it and be like, oh, oh damn. So if graph does if Graph gets to like Chainlink's market cap, then of course that could be pretty damn huge. I know a lot of people are talking about that. I don't even have to get into it, but it has that type of potential, you know. So those are two coins that I'm really picking up right now in this little dip, because I'm just saying, like, I have that conviction. When Bitcoin was going up all the way to 40,000, I'm like, yep, all coins are going to reap the benefits of this sooner or later. This flippening might happen right here. This is my flippening. All coins flip Bitcoin on the Bitcoin dominance. Did you guys all comment? Yeah, man, YouTube, honestly, the reason why I don't do live streams a lot is because I want to do more live streams and actually get better at live streaming and all that stuff. But YouTube, like, YouTube be messing up my my live stream. Every time I did live stream, they always get cut off before I want to cut it off. Stuff like that. So I don't really know what's going on. That's why I'm trying to get on Theta. Also follow me on Library, because also, you know, I got locked out of my YouTube. So, I mean, follow me on Library. So yeah, the Bitcoin dominance is dipping. It's, whoa, the hell is that? Going down. But what else did I want to talk about? So I was talking about the graph, and then talking about Alliance Block, and then this in solar is actually pretty cool. The other thing that I'm waiting for, oh yeah, did anybody get into pools? That's the other one, because it's doing I got into pools. I think it pulled off about an 18x so far since it came out. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do the giveaway in about 5 minutes. I'm gonna just do it early, do the giveaway for the wallet. So everybody, if you want to get into the giveaway for the SafePal wallet, you got to go and comment on one of those last videos, any of my last 4 videos since I did the SafePal. What's going on here? That's weird. Anyways, I'll worry about that later. But yeah, I'm waiting on that dig drop. If anybody's waiting on that dig drop, let me know. If you're in the Badger DAO right now. Oh, also there was an airdrop this morning. If you were on Stake DAO, let me pull it up for you guys. About a $500 airdrop this morning. So if you ever come over to Stake DAO, see if you're eligible for the airdrop. There's a couple different reasons that you could be eligible for the airdrop. If you participated in the Badger DAO donation thing, then you know, you could be in there with the Stake DAO. So yeah, the teacher wallet is growing. Started at $40. Started at $40 with the Ocean. So the teacher wallet is growing, and then the link, and then yeah, there's my $100 worth of Alliance Block. I'm gonna buy a lot more of that actually. Wait, was that $50-something? But the teacher wallet is growing by itself. All right, I'll put the new the link in the video for the Telegram group. Let me see, maybe I could do it right now. Forget it, do it live. My computer's going kind of slow though, guys. Where is it at? There you go. Come on down. Join the team. But yeah, I have to do it like that because I don't, like I said, I don't want them scammers in there. But yeah, let's look into this giveaway thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the last videos. This one, that one, that one, that one, or that one. What up? What up? So comment on these videos. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give everybody a couple more minutes. Comment on these last videos, and then we'll do that. I want to look at one more coin, and that's DAG. Now, why is everybody sleeping on DAG? I have no idea, but I wanted to show you something. Since everybody's all big on Chainlink, this Chainlink and DAG collaboration is pretty interesting. Where is it at? Where is it at? See if I can find it. Follow me on Twitter, by the way. If I can't find it, I tweeted it. Where is it? Right here. Can I make this bigger? So check this out. So you got like DAG's technology being used throughout the APIs for Chainlink. I mean, this just, let me go back to this one. Look at this. DAG is all through this thing. DAG is all through this thing. So with the Chainlink and Ethereum situation, collaboration, everything that they're working on, you got DAG being an outer layer protecting it. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of things going on with that. He said, "Are you a millionaire yet?" Man, I had a lot of coins do good, guys. A lot of them. I had a lot of coins do good. That's why I'm so, like, you know, I'm so big on just telling people, like, stick through it. This is not financial advice. Stick through it. Collect those coins. You could trickle in slowly. And when coins do things like what DOS did and literally went from here to here, you know, or even like, you know, I had other coins do good too. Ocean was another one that did very well for me. There's a lot of coins that did good. So, you know, I think if your goal is to do that. No, I don't do leverage. I think leverage is more risky. I feel like I like to stick with the small caps and Bitcoin and Ethereum. You know, Bitcoin and Ethereum always do their thing, but then when you see, I think the main advice that I could give people is don't get stuck holding these coins. Move things around. Like, you gotta move it around. Like, when your coin pumps, boom, take that cash, move it over here, take that cash, figure out what your goal is. For most people, like most crypto people, they're gonna tell you like, hey, yo, you need to just hold. Yeah, that's because they're probably well off right now, And not only that, like they probably believe in crypto in the long run. Now, for most people, I'm gonna be the quickest one to tell you that, like, yo, get your paper right now. Like, if you need money, get your paper right now. Don't be ashamed of being like, yo, I want to collect dollars and sell this coins for dollars. You know, I want to collect stable coins instead of collecting Bitcoin. Like, figure out what it is that you want to do, you know, and stick to it. Ocean, what was the Ocean question? Do I think Ocean could hit $50 to $100? I don't know. Let's do calculations. For Ocean to get to, let's say, $50, how much does that market cap have to be? So I'm more thinking about, like, you know, the market caps of these coins are going to go up pretty high. But let's say Ocean gets to, you know, $8 billion. What does that leave? What does that leave the price of it at? I can't pull up a calculator right now. But do 8 billion divided by the total supply and see. Well, yeah, like you said, when you hear Bitcoin is going to. So I did calculations, right? I did calculations on the whole thing. I did my own analysis of the market, and I saw that if the market does exactly what it did in the last run, if it does exactly the same thing, which it never really does, it does about 75 to 50% of it, about 65% of it. If it does exactly what it did, it's going to go to 400K. You know, it's going to go to 400K. If it doesn't do, you know, and then I'm saying I'm thinking it's going to hit like 65, 75% of that. So maybe like 300K, maybe 200K. People are coming in so crazy. When you look at how much money is just in the whole world, and you see that, like, you know, Elon Musk is richer than Bitcoin. Yeah, get used to it. If you're new to crypto, this volatility, I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for, you know, 10% dumps in Bitcoin. We haven't had this in a long time. I wasn't really convinced that we were in a bull market until I seen some dumps like this, because in the bear market, the dips got super small. They started getting, 3% was a big deal, when before it was like, we were like, 10%, 20%. You know, when people were first brought up, buy the dip, things were dipping like 30% one day and going up 40% the next day. It's crazy. So let's do this giveaway. I done rambled enough. Yeah, invested in Bitcoin at the top. No worries, right? Yeah. I mean, in the long run, don't sell right now. Not if you bought up there. Just start looking at altcoins. You know, that might be a way to get some of that back. Use these altcoins to accumulate more Bitcoin. That's the goal. Use the altcoins to accumulate more Bitcoin. And then once you're well off, then start investing, start diversifying into the coins you like. 5 trillion for all the crypto is possible? Yeah, I think so. So 8 billion is $20. Yeah, so that's more realistic to me. $20 Ocean is more realistic than like $100 or $150. Markets have done crazier things, but, you know, that's more realistic to say that it's going to hit, you know. But Ocean is all around the market, you know. So it could be used in a lot of different things. But it's still going to be like, the bull run is still going to be hype driven, you guys. Like, it's going to be mostly hype driven. Like right now, Bitcoin's pump and everything is hype driven. It's because, like, the hype is picking up. You know, banks came out. Like, I saw people jump into my DMs like crazy when they saw that, like, the CEOs of banks were saying that Bitcoin was going to hit 200K. So it's still hype driven. Never forget that. Very speculative. That means quick pumps, quick dumps. So filter duplicates, include replies. Let's include the replies. Let's get it. Number 1, 17 comments. Where's the winner at? All right, so how I'm gonna do it, since I had it for like 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, I'm gonna just pick a winner from these videos. It's gonna be 4 names. Then I'm gonna write the little 4 names down, and I'm gonna draw names out of a hat, because that's the only way I could do it right now. And I'm still small enough to do it like that, so it's cool. The way cryptos are sold is truly revolutionary. Is this? Hold on, let me see. Is this a real comment? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, this is a real comment. This guy was telling me about I should look into Wise. What do you guys think about Wise? Because Wise, I get a lot of shills about Wise, and I don't like how they got bots and stuff like that. But if they're token, like a lot of these coins that are just for staking and stuff like that, why is somebody gonna buy it from you? Like, what if they don't care about the governance? Who's gonna buy it from you? So I did this video. Next video. We got 16 comments on this video. Yeah, the total 2 went super crazy. Good question. Hope it gets answered. I remember this. He was asking about Kudos. How does, you know, he was saying like, how come I can't find any information about it? And I sent him the other website. Because usually there's 2 websites. There's usually websites for crypto people and then websites for the actual product. If they have an actual product. 22 comments on this one. Sarth, what's up? You're in there. I know you wanted it. Okay, we got 2 more. $19 comments on this video. Who's it gonna be? Julie G. And 1 more, the final video. Wait, was that the final one? No, 1 more. Oh wait, that had to be the final one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more. Get the comments. And Adam. All right, so Nasser, Calvin, Sarth, Julie G, and Adam. Now I'm gonna write everybody's name down, and I'm gonna do it old school. I like doing it old school because it makes it interesting. Best out of 3. It makes it interesting because, you know, like some people even know how to cheat these systems right here. And Adam. All right. Let me ball these up. All right. Any here's the time. Any coins you guys want me to look at? Chill. You want me to make a video about something that's cool? You got something that's revolutionary? A coin that I didn't like that you love? Let me know. I'll holla at it. But honestly, like, you know, this altcoin season, altcoin run is where the most potential is for making money. Bitcoin Black? What's that? I don't really like the clones. But the clones always do good. I don't know why. So here's the names right here. I don't know what happened to my basket. Hold on. Damn, I just made a mess. Alright. Winners are right here. If I pick your name out of here, hit me up, and then you're going to be, you know, get a wallet. I think it's actually a dope wallet. And then, oh yeah, you're gonna get 24 hours to hit me up. And if not, I'll just do another stream and just pick somebody else real quick, so nobody thinks I'm cheating. That ain't even the right music. Adam, you're the winner right here. Adam, the last comment on the thing. Adam Singh, hit me up. You're the winner. I'm gonna you know, hit me up. Comment on your comment. Loving the content. Appreciate you, man. Comment on your content. Comment on your comment, and then give me your email address, and I'll send you one of these things out as soon as possible. So that's that. Remember, I got a giveaway for some actual coins. I'm going to be giving away some coins. I've been making a whole bunch of money in this market, feeling generous. I'm going to be giving away some coins on some other live streams, so just stay tuned. Last time I did a live stream and just I selected 2 winners. What was the prize? Oh, it was a SafePal wallet. The SafePal wallet. Check out the video. It's a nice little, it's a hardware wallet. Has a camera on it. Easy to use. Has a nice app that goes with it. I believe they have a coin coming soon. They were hinting about an airdrop, you know, so I'm going to do a hardware wallet giveaway. That was a hardware wallet giveaway. 1 BTC? Damn. No, I don't think nobody has it like that to be giving away 1 Bitcoin right now. That could be worth $1 million later. That's why. SafePal wallet. Check out the video. I made a video about it right here. It was a hardware wallet. So if you don't know what a hardware wallet is, this is where you should be holding your crypto, in one of these wallets. If you have it on the exchange, you don't even own it. So just make sure you have your wallet on a hardware wallet. STPT network. I've heard about this coin. I've traded this coin. I don't actually know what it is. We're moving kind of slow here. Close some of these channels. All right, STPT. Where's my? I don't know what happened to the live stream channel, but $18 million market cap. Oh, volume is pretty high. Volume. Seeing the volume almost as high as the market cap is a pretty good thing in my opinion. Unless everybody's dumping. Why did it dump? Oh, it just dumped with everything. What they doing over there? Standard tokenization protocol. Digitalization network for tokenization of any asset. Okay, a lot of coins are doing that. That's cool. Open source ecosystem issuers, block tokenization use cases. Anything that I should look at in particular? I want to see the ecosystem. Institutions can leverage the block 70. The core team is only 2 people? Or is that just the founder and the co-founder? They got some cool connections. I'm definitely gonna look into SPTP because this is one that I've been hearing a lot about. So of course I can't really like fully dissect it in a quick second, but you know, I can try to see if there's something that makes me want to look deeper. They're connected with Travala, liquidity mining projects. Hey, I would keep an eye on this one. I'll definitely keep an eye on that one. It looks pretty cool because see what their partners are. They're backed. That's good. And their network is some pretty good coins that I like. Ample Fourth, we know that. Algo, Decentraland, Reserve, Theta. That's like GRT. Like they got some of the coins that you all know using it. That's a good thing. What was that other one? It was any Allen fans out there? Is Rai a part of Nano now? I don't know. I didn't like Nano ever since that whole Ray Blocks thing. Cause like I don't know. I just didn't. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. So API 3, yeah, I hear good things about it as well. It's been on the like trending coins list for a minute. Oracle solution. This is the exact same thing from the DOS site, except for it has their thing. Go check out DOS's and it looks exactly the same. DAO governed. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, the only thing that I think is different about this one is that they have partners. HBAR. Now, I like HBAR, but the thing about HBAR is that it's somewhat centralized. Like the HBAR has the code is patented. So HBAR is kind of centralized in a way, but they are pretty revolutionary when it comes to the hash graph. Although I'm more into DAG when it comes to hash graph, like HBAR is up there. So I've been looking at HBAR since its ICO days. Looking at HBAR since its ICO days, and I think that they're gonna do good because all of their partnerships and everything that they're doing, like although they're patented and centralized or whatever, I don't think decentralized products are going to be the only things that win. There's going to be other centralized products that win also. Like right now, nobody cares about decentralization. Let's be real. Like people are using centralized products, so why wouldn't they continue to? So something like HBAR, if they're solving a problem for people, they're going to use it. Now API 3, I like API 3 because of all of this stuff going on here, and I almost sold my DOS for API 3, but I didn't. I just said, I'll buy some instead. I'm not selling DOS until that thing goes to $1 because it's gonna. I know it better. Yeah, you know, Phantom is real fast. Litecoin is real fast. Cardano is real fast. Speed is not a big deal, folks. Like, give me something else besides speed. Users, like, Ethereum is super slow and it got the most users. Centralization is way down the list. What do you mean? Yeah, I feel like at this moment in time, centralization is not the, depending on what is it going to be used for? Like, do big corporations want a decentralized group of people making changes to what they use every day to move millions of dollars of just stuff like that? Like, you know, they don't. You know, they'd rather trust one company and blame one company when something goes wrong. Yeah, exactly. I agree with you. People don't care about it. Are there chances for DOS to do a same pump in August? There's chances for everything to do a pump. Like, I'm a little bit, I tried to make a portfolio video for you guys, but I'm a little bit overexposed at the moment, and I gotta I gotta get rid of some coins and move some coins around. Gas fees will be hurting me though if I start sitting here trying to consolidate coins and move coins around. It's gonna cost me freaking $2,000 just to do that. Yeah, XRP. My thoughts on XRP. Like, I want it to do good because I got so many people that love it, but I just can't, man. Not after what I read. Not right now. Like, if they get past the lawsuit, like, look, you had this pump, you should have sold and bought more down here. That's just me. But if they get past the lawsuit, they're gonna get sued for sure. Like, the SEC is gonna want a piece of that money that they've been making. So how do you use Matic? That's what I don't get. How do you use Matic? I know how to use XDAI. I'm not sure really how to use Matic. And I know Loopring is cool too. If you want to pick up coins and you want to get good prices, Loopring and XDAI are pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if XRP's volume is all fluff. I know a lot of people love XRP, to be honest with you, and it gets its pumps, but but what they're doing, man, they're literally just selling coin. They're literally just dumping on you. Like, they're letting you know that they're just dumping on you. I can't deal with that. For sure, I'll take a look at Matic. Let me write that down. Take a look at Matic. Yeah, I'll look at how to use Matic. Cause if it's cool, then yeah. Now DOS, can it pump like it did before? Like I was saying, all these coins, as the Bitcoin dominance starts dropping down, just think, man, a lot of coins pumped. Maybe it wasn't. I mean, it wasn't a lot of the bags that I talked about, but some newer bags. But that was just going from 66% to 64%. That seemed like so much money, right? It seemed like people were making so many coins were pumping. It seems like you were gonna miss out, but Bitcoin dominance only dropped like 3%. So imagine a 30% drop. Oh, my bad. I'm looking at this on my phone, so I was like saying Brad this whole time. It's bad garlic breath. Bad garlic breath. Hating on XRP, huh? Yeah, so man, if this thing goes down to even this next line right here, another 2%, we can see all coins do what they just did again. That's where things like Alliance Block are gonna start pamping. Things like API 3, just because of the community behind it. ETH looking ugly. Yeah, ETH is our other indicator. ETH lets us know. But people are getting mad at ETH right now because of the buy. It's not looking too bad. 15%. if with Bitcoin going down 11%, I would expect ETH to be like 20% down. Like, whoa. You got to zoom out, zoom out to like the monthly chart and look at all these coins on the monthly and be like, holy crap, we got ways to go. I don't. Yeah, no, he's not looking too bad to me. I mean, of course, this dump is ugly, but everything is dumping today. But took out a lot of its gains. Slingshot to higher prices. Yeah, the dips. Go on like crypto alerts and look for those oversold bounces. They'll bounce. Cryptoalerts.ai. I don't think accumulation is going on right now. I think a lot of people are taking profit. And I think it's just a standard, not a standard retrace, but like this is the total market. You know, it needed to come down. It needed to calm down. You know, and this is the weekly. So you had, if you look at it on, let's see, even the daily, it looks like this thing has just been going straight up, parabolic. Like, you don't want it to go that up that quick. You want it to just kind of be like, but it, you know, crypto does. That's why we got to take profits when it hits the top. But yeah, no, I think it's just coming back down to test some levels. Also, there's some FUD in the market, some tether FUD going on. So FUD really gets a lot of the new people scared. When new money comes into the market, we had a lot of new money come into the market. So a lot of new money gets scared from things like that. And then we have to see, you know, the new money creates more volatility, stuff like that. So yeah, with this, I feel like this thing is dipping because it needed to a little bit right here. If I just closed everything else out and look at the charts to say, yeah. Yeah, the RSI could probably bounce somewhere right here. Looks like it wants to, like, this line right here. Or maybe even in here. Could bounce there. 43%. Says how far it to the rest of the high broke. I'm not sure what you mean. Pancake swap. It's funny, I was just looking at Pancake swap because Binance has a lot of things going on. You want to experiment. When it comes to DeFi, you got to experiment. You know, you got to experiment because you can end up just getting airdropped on something, you know. Try it out. Might work. Plus, you know, ETH fees is killing everybody. Even just to send coins from my other wallet, like I want to send coins from wallet to wallet, it's costing me like $15. So I'll be having like, yeah, all my cryptos everywhere, different wallets and different places. But the majority of it, hardware wallet. The big stack, hardware wallets. So yeah, you said, oh wait. I was talking about API 3. Yeah, all those burger swaps and stuff like that is like, eh. Yeah, XDAI is like, I so far XDAI was the cheapest one that I used for when it comes to like still being like super decentralized. XDAI was cool because it's like literally pennies, like 0.00. Like I paid like like half a penny for a transaction and it was like great on XDAI. Is that wax? Oh, DGTX. If I could buy anything that I wanted, what would I do with the money? You know, my thoughts on that change. Like as I make more and more money and I keep going up more and more levels, it starts becoming like you can do more and more things with your money. And for me, I just want to live life, you know, be happy, travel, see the world. So that's what it is right now. Help out people if I can. Like I kind of really want to help people get out of being broke, because I was broke for so long, and then I just realized that like there ain't no reason to be broke, and nobody should be broke because it is easy to make money. So that's kind of what I'm looking at, kind of how I'm feeling right now. But if I were to buy something, probably be like a private jet so I can go anywhere. The market's really dipping right now. Digitex futures. Trade Bitcoin with 0 fees. I remember this exchange. So I'm not sure if they're coming back up. They were doing something real cool. Cody, yeah, Cody and Chainlink. A lot of coins are partnering with Chainlink. I still wonder if they're doing it just for hype or if they're actually using Chainlink. I know Chainlink is useful, but I do know that there are a lot of Oracle solutions out there at this point. Just like when Wi-Fi came out, and there was a whole bunch of Wi-Fi clones. But yeah, yeah, I think actually this one's gonna do good because I was looking into this. I'll talk about it in another video. Let me write that down because there's some things about this coin that I liked, especially because I really like how, you know, once everything starts becoming tokenized, some of these exchanges that are going to be trading the tokenized ones are going to be crazy. They're going to do good. Longer term play though, I think it's going to take time. It's got to play out over a long period of time. That's what I want you guys to realize too, that like we're early still. We're hella early. Peace out, Theo. I'm about to get out of here too in a minute. Actually, I got to go pretty soon. Yeah, Cody Pay's cool. Civi, what's Civi? I couldn't find it on CoinGecko. Or is it Civic? Or are you talking about Civic? I'll just look at this one before I get out of here. Digitex City was a huge flop. I knew they had something that happened recently that made them like womp womp womp. But I honestly, like, all that stuff is not ready yet. Tokenize this and tokenize that is not ready. If things are gonna get tokenized, they have to be. I listened to yeah, I talked about Ergo before. So I listened to Civi is a part of their thing. I'm gonna look into that too. Civi is a part of the partnership with Cody. What was I saying? Okay, yeah, if you listen to Michael Saylor, he was saying that like a lot of big corporation stuff, they won't even consider using a network that's not vetted for, you know, at least 5 years. So if Ethereum is going through this big change, which is around, you know, if Ethereum is going to be changing the proof of stake, like it's going to need some time to get vetted to make sure that network is secure before we see things like tokenized stocks on top of Ethereum and stuff like that. So I think it's going to take a little bit longer than we think, but I don't think that matters when it comes to market cycles and hype cycles. So the hype's still going to do what it does. Yeah, Ergo, I talked about Ergo a couple times, just because I think they have I like the team, honestly. I don't like the community because they be getting on my nerves. But I like the team. They're doing cool things over there, and I think, you know, I gotta look into what's dropping because I know it's Q1, and a lot of things are gonna be dropping. Dot and link. I need Kusama and I need ETH and I need Bitcoin. Like I said, a lot of things. I'll say Digitex wanted to create a thing like Digitex City and it didn't work. That's what it was. A lot of things are gonna fail for sure, but they're gonna have these hype cycles when it comes to a bull run, and there's gonna be people out there shilling their friends a bunch of stupid stuff and a lot of what you call it, you know. Thanks, man. Thanks for the, you know, keep it up. Keeps me going. I'm glad when you guys like the content. But yeah, I gotta get out of here. Gotta do some things. I'll see you guys in the next video. And like I said, I'll try to live stream more often, you know, because I like doing a live stream, just chopping it up, talking about whatever you guys want to talk about. Nice. I'm glad you killed it on Cody. I killed it on Cody as well. That was one of the ones that I saw kind of early on that it was gonna do some crazy stuff. And they're still in it, man. They're still pushing away over there at Cody. I gotta give it to it. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Until next time. Peace out.